I have this 2013 Kia Optima SX, SXL, whatever the junk it is. From 2012 to 2019, they're all the same. Whenever you have that, whenever you have this hood latch broken, so this is how it is. So I kind of locked it now. I'll show you how to take it out from the bottom, from outside. You gotta go down here, and then you see this plastic, try to wiggle it out. And if you could see right here, yeah, so set it aside. So if you could see right here, you see this latch, there's a small tab. Yeah, if I focused it. Now all you gotta do is take a flathead, stick it into it, just like what I'm showing. My camera is not helpful because I'm working both ways. So I got my flathead, and then push it all the way back. See, it's unlocked. That's how you open the hood latch from the outside. This one is also applicable for Hyundai Sonata and Kia Optima. The reason for this thing to break is the cable right here. The cable, where is it? Yeah, the cable right here. This thing gets out of this groove and it gets loose. All right, thank you.